how to fix downloaded files not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're unable to find your downloads, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to solve this. The first method is by opening up your internet browser, and in the top right hand side, click on these three vertical dots, then scroll down to settings and click on this. From the left navigation, select downloads, and here you'll find your downloaded files location. So all we need to do is click on this change button like so, and you can go and select a folder where you want your downloaded files to save to. So I'm just going to leave mine as this downloaded folder here and press select folder. Now you can also check the box next to ask where to save each file before downloading, and then you can go and select a specific location when downloading your file. Now, if your downloads folder is just missing entirely, so you can see on the left hand side here, I can't even see the downloads folder. Well, what you need to do is open up the start menu, go and search for downloads, and then right click on this folder and click on open file location. Now from here we can just right click on the downloads and click on pin to quick access, and as you can see the downloads folder has now reappeared and we'll be able to find all of our downloaded files. Now the last solution, if you're still missing some downloaded files from here, then what you can do is open back up your internet browser. In the left hand side, select privacy and security, then scroll down and click on security, and you're going to change safe browsing to no protection and just press turn off. Then what you can do is try re-downloading your file and it should now appear in your downloaded folder. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.